If you've seen ads or posts for Embroidery.com and you're wondering whether it's a legit place to buy embroidery and punch needling kits, this video will help you understand what's really going on. The website claims that their main goal is to bring new people into embroidery and relaxing hobbies, and they present themselves as a small but passionate company that believes in quality and mental wellness. According to their own introduction, they say they've spent years researching and testing prototypes to create what they call the ultimate punch needling kit for all skill levels. On the surface, everything sounds great, but let's take a closer look. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's talk about the issues that raise concerns. The first thing you'll notice is the extremely high discount, almost 55% off, which is unusual for a brand new website. Big discounts are possible, but when a website is newly created and immediately offering such large cuts, it often signals a marketing tactic rather than a real deal. When checking the images used on the website, many appeared to be copied from other places online, which is another sign that the store may not be producing what it claims. They also use tactics like only a few left or today only to pressure visitors into buying quickly, which is something many questionable sites rely on to push fast decisions. Another major red flag is the lack of proper contact information. There's no physical address mentioned anywhere on the website. They may show a generic email or phone number, but there is no proof that these details actually work or belong to a real support team. Without verifiable contact information, buying anything becomes risky because there's no way to reach the seller if something goes wrong. When we look at their legal pages, they also don't provide complete information about how the website operates, which is something a legitimate business normally would. The reviews on their own website look positive, but things change quickly when you check real customer experiences on Trustpilot. Right now, there are only 2 reviews, and both are negative. One customer said their order never arrived, and they eventually had to request reimbursement through their bank. The second customer did receive a kit, but it didn't come with enough yarn to finish the project. They tried contacting Embroidery through email and the website, but never received any kind of reply or support. Experiences like these show that customer service might be non-existent. Another thing worth mentioning is social media. In today's world, almost every legit business uses social platforms to connect with customers, show their products, and build trust. Embroidery.com doesn't seem to have any social media presence at all, which again raises concern because it becomes harder to verify who they are or how long they've been around. So based on all this information, the huge discounts, copied images, missing contact details, incomplete legal pages, negative external reviews, and lack of social media, Embroidery.com appears to have several red flags that should make buyers think twice. If you're considering purchasing a punch needling kit, it might be better to look for well-known brands with verified reviews and clear customer support. Staying safe online is always more important than taking a risk on a deal that might be too good to be true.